Hello friends, welcome to Manotech Sounds. Today we will learn how to edit in Audacity the limiter. Limiter is very important when you are having any loud sounds. So that time to control that, to control your audio, we need to have a option called or effect called limiter. How to set this limiter in Audacity? Let's go to the screen and learn this. First of all, what is the limiter? What limiter will do? A limiter in Audacity basically controls the peaks. When your audio is reaching a certain limit, a peak you can say. So to control that, we need a limiter. Limiter is having a two parts here. One is threshold, another is makeup target. Threshold is at what level, after reaching which level you want to reduce this audio. That is what called threshold limit. Makeup target is adjusting the peaked. That means that adjusted the volume which is already crossing the threshold limit. So it is adjusting the overall audio according to the makeup target. Okay, let us try to understand this. So friends, on the screen you can see here I've just recorded one audio clip here. Based on this we will learn how to set the do the limiter. Okay, say for example this audio I'm just playing here. I'm recording here one clip. Based on that clip we are trying to understand. Yeah, it's crossing around -9, so we're near to the -9 dB this audio, and this we are trying to understand how the limiter is working. Okay, so let us go to the setup here. To perform this setup, first we have to select the clip. Whatever the effect you want to perform on the Audacity, you have to select the clip. Okay, I have selected the clip here. You can see, and I'm just going to the effects. From the effects, go to the volume and compression and limiter. Okay, once you reach this area, you will see a small window like this, limiter. We have two options here under the compression curve. One is threshold value, another is makeup target. Threshold value till what level you can, that means your audio have to reach. After that, this limiter is going to work. Okay, after limiter is going to work, it is going to set the overall a limit. That means your audio will not cross -6 dB. That's what called makeup target. So these two are very important than other things. Okay, I'm setting here something like -dB, or you can set around according to your audio what you have recorded, according to your microphone, your volume that you recorded. Based on that you can select here threshold limit something like -10 dB I'm setting here, and makeup target I'm setting here -6 dB. Okay, and once I click the apply button, let us see the changes in these waves. It is increased the volume, right? And it is not even cross. If I play this, I'm simply playing this, you just observe here, it will not reach even -6. See, I'm recording here one clip. Based on that clip we are trying to understand what is a limiter here, and my audio is I'm recording through the, see, you can understand maximum it is reaching -6. It's not crossing the -6. That means this limiter is working. So whatever the audio, the peaking, whatever that is volume that you recorded, but still it is going till -6 dB only. So it is limiting your track audio. Okay, so this is what called limiter in Audacity. Maybe some other application, the look and feel may be different, the formula is the same. Even in Audacity also, last time what we discussed, the look and feel was different, and some little bit formula also changed. Depending on the DAW, depending on the editing application. So they may be having some formula here and there, but overall formula is limiter is to control the peaking audio. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. We'll meet again next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.